Hi! Ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of linger. Stay in a place longer than necessary because of a reluctance to leave. For example, she lingered in the yard, enjoying the warm sunshine. American pronunciation. Linger. Linger. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Linger. Say. Linger. Linger means stay in place longer than necessary because of reluctance to leave. Linger. Linger. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. But it doesn't linger forever on past glories. Now, repeat after me. But it doesn't linger forever on past glories. The second practice. She didn't linger at the back of the pharmacy. Now, repeat after me. She didn't linger at the back of the pharmacy.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.